The 2025 Maclaren W1 is the latest addition to Maclaren's prestigious Ultimate Series, succeeding the legendary F1 and P1 hypercars. It was officially unveiled on October 6, 2025, marking 50 years since Maclaren's first Formula One Drivers and Constructors World Championship victories. The W1 name symbolises Maclaren's World Championship mindset, as the company aims to set a new benchmark in the world of hypercars with this model. Positioned as a technological marvel, the W1 combines advanced aerodynamics with innovative hybrid technology, making it a true representation of Maclaren's engineering prowess. In terms of performance, the W1 is powered by a new 4.0-litre V8 engine paired with a hybrid electric motor, producing a staggering combined output of 1258 horsepower. This setup allows the W1 to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.7 seconds and reach 124 miles per hour in 5.8 seconds. The car's top speed is electronically limited to 217 miles per hour. The hybrid system includes a lightweight 1.384 kWh battery that powers a Nissan-derived electric motor, contributing an additional 342 horsepower to the car's overall performance. This impressive setup allows the W1 to outpace even the Maclaren Senna around circuits, thanks to its carefully engineered balance of power and aerodynamics. The design of the W1 is equally groundbreaking, featuring Maclaren's new Aerocell carbon fibre tub and a unique active aerodynamic system. Its long-tail rear wing and various aero elements work together to ensure optimal downforce and drag reduction. Maclaren's focus on driver engagement is evident in the steering setup as well. The W1 uses a hydraulically assisted system, providing a more connected and tactile driving experience compared to electric systems. This commitment to performance and engineering ensures the W1 remains one of the most advanced and thrilling hypercars on the market.